Hey guys, how's it going? So recently I purchased this Chevy S10 for my property up north, and it was having a really hard time starting in the winter or cold conditions, cranking, not starting, would kind of stumble trying to start, but it wouldn't, and I'd have to keep charging the battery over and over and over and try to get to start. So basically I went on YouTube and found a video on how to fix it, and well, I tried 3 different videos, but I'll show you which one worked for me. So I replaced the intake manifold gasket all the way around. It was a pain in the butt, and that didn't work. So checked for vacuum leaks everywhere, and that wasn't the problem. Then I replaced the coil. It's a brand new coil. Still didn't fix the problem. I checked fuel pressure, everything was good. And so what was going on, it was trying to start and it would just stumble and then kind of cough, you know, like that. And so I knew it was something crazy going on. Anyways, so found the guy's video and he said replace the cap and rotor, not the whole distributor. So I just replaced the cap and rotor. And anyways, that fixed the problem. So over a year of trying to fix it, let me turn it on real quick. I haven't started this thing for a couple weeks now. And let me go in and start her up for you just to show you that it fixed it. Normally it wouldn't fire up right now. Just show you that it did fix it. And anyways, got 236,000. See how it goes. And she fired right up. You can hear it. Anyways, so try doing the cap and rotor first. That seemed to be what worked for me. Intake manifold gasket didn't work, and the coil didn't work. So yeah, threw a new cap and rotor on it and boom, fixed it. Anyways, hope this video helps you out, and give me a like and subscribe for more vids. All right, have a good one.